guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to study about the math method in JavaScript. This math method refers to the mathematical method, focuses on development of use of calculus, probability and statistical analysis. And also this is useful for rounding numbers or generating the random numbers. The first one we have is the ceil method. This method works when number is in a decimal form, or you can say in a decimal value. Here I'll write where a equals to math dot ceil. Inside this I'll write 2.7. Let us print this using document.write. Here you can see we got 3 because this will provide us the upper value or the nearest integer. Suppose instead of 2.7 if I write 9.7, we'll get 10. As I said, it will provide us the upper value or the nearest integer. Then the second one we have is the math.floor. Let me explain you how this math.floor works. This method returns the largest integer less than or equal to the given number. You can say it's basically rounds down a number to its nearest integer. 9.7, the nearest integer would be 9. Suppose if I write minus 2, you can see here 2.7. We got minus 3 because in this minus 2 and minus 3, if you know x and y axis, minus 3 comes later and minus 2 comes first. This is how this math.floor works. It returns the largest integer or the less than or equal to given number. Then the next one we have is math.round. Let me explain this. Instead of this math.floor, I'll write math.round. Okay, this returns the nearest integer value. You can see here we got 3 because 3.40, you just consider the value after the point. This is lesser than the 5, that's why we got the value as 3. Suppose it is 3.80, then for sure we'll get the result as 4. I'll write a different number. Suppose if I write 2.24, we got 2. Instead of this, if I write 2.84, we'll get it as 3. It returns the nearest integer value. Then the next one we have is the math.trunc. Let us understand how this works. This method simply removes the value after the dot. It means it removes the fractional digits or the decimal. You can write anything after the point, but that will be not considered. We just got 2 here. After the point, we didn't get anything. Suppose if I write 284.7, we'll get 284 as it removes the value after the dot. Or you can say after the fractional digits or the decimal. Then the next one we have is the math.minimum. Let us understand how this works. For this, I'll use 3, 2, 4, 8, 9. Here are some values. If I write math dot minimum, then it will return 2 because this method returns the smallest or the lowest value inside this. We have the lowest value which is 2 inside this 2, 4, 8 and 9. Like this, we have one more which is the highest, or you can say maximum. Math dot maximum. It returns the highest value, or you can say largest value from the set of 0 or more number. Suppose if I write after 9, if I write 100, we'll get 100 only because it is the largest value among all of this. This is how the math dot max method works. We have some more methods. We'll discuss it in our next video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel. If you are already my subscriber, do share with your friends. Thanks for watching this video.